This is Maddie Jew's first green bean. As he, oh, I'm trying to video and let you eat. Oh. What are your thoughts on that? Survey says, I prefer my fist. Green beans. Mmm. They are delicious and nutritious. I think you are a human garbage disposal and you like everything. That's good. Your face looks not so sure. What do you think about those? Would you like some more? Would you like some more green beans? Open your mouth. Daddy's eating his green beans too. Do you hear him? Yeah. You look like you're not so sure. Say bye.